Hello there, my name's Jack. I'm the Chief Technician here at Solar Scooters. Today I'm just going to go over a detail on how to check and adjust brakes when they're loose. For this task you're going to need a small ratchet, an extension and a 5mm Allen key. Okay, so as you can see, this scooter braking is interrupted by the cable being too slack. Obviously you'll be noticing this while using the scooter. Initial adjustment beforehand, you'll always check the disc which is located on the rear wheel for any warpage. So to do this, just get behind the scooter, give the wheel a spin, and you'll be able to see as the disc rotates. As you can see, this one's perfectly straight. But to adjust it, undo the arm on the caliper. This actually pushes the pad out onto the disc. You see a slight flex there. So this actually controls how sharp your brakes are. Twisting anti-clockwise, just like that, and then adjusting the brake inwards. Just give the wheel a rotate. As you can see, I've gone too tight there. Just go back slightly. Still too tight, so just slightly back again. As you can see here, the wheel rotates freely. Just put your ratchet on doing up and tighten. Don't over tighten this, it just needs to be tight enough so that it grips the braking cable and doesn't cross thread or round the head off, anything like that. And then just to test, just give your brake a pull, wheel a spin. And as you can see, you can't move the wheel with the brake applied. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.